Success. We all talk about success all the time. But let me talk about failures today. We all want shortcuts in life, some miracle to happen. But the truth is that success is built on failures, the defeats, or the rejections we face. As per my experience, I think discipline is the foundation you need, and self belief will build the courage that helps you achieve those dreams. Let me ask you, how many of you decided not to do something because it was hard? It may take time to know why you are born. It may take time to know what are your strengths or what you want to achieve in life. I personally took 21 years of my life, but that does not mean you will start blaming others, situations, or family decisions. Because at the end of the day, you have to take responsibility. Whenever something hurts you, there are two options. Either you get in your comfort zone or become wise. If you have not faced failures, you have not tried something new. Because we all fear what people will say, what people will think about us. Let me give you a question here. Who are those people you fear from? Are they your well wisher or your loved ones? As per me, they are no one. They are no one because they can laugh at your failures. If they can laugh at your failures, they should not matter to you because your loved ones will support you no matter how bad the situations are. How many times you fail or how many times you fall? My friend, things hardly go perfect with initial attempts. Stuff goes wrong sometime. Knowledge does not apply perfectly at first go. And this is called life. Let's not go far. Let's take an example from a small child that learns how to walk. Because no matter he or she fall 50 times, they never stop to stand back up because they don't doubt their abilities. Why don't we take failures as testing? And why there is so much hype of getting low marks? Why this world sees students who fail as criminals? The simple answer is just because our mindsets are freeze to these so called society rules, which are created by human beings like you and me. In the end, I want to say think big and break the rules which let you see the potential of your children in mark sheets and not in their passion.